Hello YouTube, hello MGTOW, hello Red Pill, this is Red Pill on the Win. First things foremost, looks maxing doesn't mean Jack Daniels. Finance maxing doesn't mean Jack Daniels. We've said it before and I'm going to say it again. Everything you do should be only for you and or the people in your life. Everything that you do to make improvements should be for you and the people in your life. What does that mean? It means that if they're not in your life, it shouldn't mean anything, that anything they say shouldn't mean anything. You know? If they're not actively improving themselves along with you, cut them out. You know? Because it's going to do nothing but hold you back. It's going to hold you back. You're getting held back by keeping these people in your life, by trying to go out there and meet people that you don't know if they have your best interests at heart. You should be chasing nothing. You should be improving yourself for yourself. Because what I'm about to tell you next is going to really shake whatever beliefs that you were raised upon to this foundation. They say that finding a soulmate was over in 2020. It was over long before that. 1980s to the 1990s and beyond. Who knows how far back it goes. But their soulmate may have never existed. The soulmate may have been something to just put in place so that people believe in finding the one and done. You know? Finding the one and done. And it is, and it might well be. The next thing about it is another part of how women cheat. Women will cheat on you with anything. Anything. And this is going to piss a lot of Christians off, but it needs to be said. Joseph was cucked by God. Mary's wife, Mary's husband, he was cucked by God. That's a textbook cuckold. So, you celebrate the cucking of another man. Congratulations. And I say this because since they decided it's open season on MGTOW and Red Pill, I figure I might as well just call it what it is. You celebrate cucking a man. You know? The three wise men, it was a immaculate cucking. It's what it is. It was an immaculate cucking. You know? That's all it was. It was just accepted. It's been written down and spread throughout history. A divine cucking. A divine cucking. That's all it was. And what I said in my last religious videos, don't throw stones at houses. Because many of us will throw stones back. And we'll throw where it hurts. Like I said, women will cheat on you with anything. Anything and anyone. Doesn't have to be a human being. Or sentient. Or animate. Hell, you know? Which basically brings you to the thing is, why does your girl's drawer look like Toys R Us? Looks like Toys R Us or KB Toys. Just saying. Why does it look like KB Toys? KB Toy Warehouse or KB Toy Store or Toys R Us or why does it look like a Radio Shack? Why does your wife's drawer nightstand look like a Radio Shack? I'll wait. You've got more technology in your wife. Yeah, there's more technology in your wife's drawer, in your wife's nightstand, than a Radio Shack, than a Newegg web warehouse. You know? Let that sink in. You've got more Bluetooth capabilities than Verizon and AT&T. Let that sink in. You've got more Bluetooth capabilities than Verizon and an AT&T. And you're holding it down. You've got more barnyard episodes in toys than season 1 of Barnyard on Nickelodeon. Let that sink in. You're funny. You want to sit here and try to say that you're holding it down. And your wife could probably custom build her own special toys from a website. And to you ladies, you ain't got nothing Jack and or Daniels to say about men's toys when literally you have things, when you literally can when you can customize your own special toy down to the freaking, to a lithium ion battery and sonic vibration. And subsonic vibration. You've got like 20 settings for your toys. The max setting I've seen on a man's toys is like maybe 9. I'll wait. You got 20 settings on your toys, ranging from vacuum, motion, and vibration. And we got 9. That's the max I've seen. So, if you do for one, you got to do for the other. Oh, and one more thing, gentlemen, get your dolls, because because what's going to happen is these ladies are going to get mad. They're going to get mad, and they're going to complain to the government. Just letting you know that now, so that you're not shocked or surprised, or when you can't go out and order your own special toy. Just letting you know that now, so that you aren't surprised when you go on your website, when you have the money to go on your website and buy your special toy. Just saying. I mean, I'm not saying, I'm just saying. Get your toy now if you got it. If you got the money, do it now. Do it now. Move. This is Red Pill in the Wind signing off. Oh yeah. Well, I forgot. I almost forgot. We gotta stop calling a lot of these women's ma'am and ma'am. You know, we gotta stop calling them sweetie. We gotta stop calling them all this type of thing. We gotta stop calling them. See, we gotta start calling them dude. We gotta start calling them bro, dude. You know, at this point, we gotta start calling them dude. You know, we gotta start calling them bro, homie. If they're your friends. And at this point, if we start calling them bro, dude, what's the worst that could happen? They get mad and say I'm a woman? Well, dude, it's not my problem. Stop calling them dear, stop calling them do that, call them dude. Call them what they want to be. Sir. Unless you're in the military. Yeah. Because it's what it is. You know, unless you're in the military. And it's an officer. Call the officer ma'am. Out of self-preservation. Out of self-preservation for you being in the military, call them by their whatever it is. Because it is what it is. But outside the military, call him sir. Call him dude. Holmes. Bro. Because that's what really gets them. And if they get mad, it's equality. Right there. Equality. This is Red Pill in the Wind. And this is my first rolling video on season 2. Signing off.